Welcome to whynew.in. Let us go through the specifications of Dell Latittude E7270. It is powered by 2.6 GHz Intel Core i7-6600U. This processor comes with integrated Intel HD graphics 520. It also comes with 8 GB RAM, which is also upgradable up to 16 GB. It has inbuilt M.2 SSD of 256 GB, which can be upgradable. It has 12.5 Full HD touchscreen with Gorilla Glass and built-in 720p webcam and microphone. 42Wh internal battery supplies power to this laptop, which can run up to 4 hours. This laptop comes with Windows 10 operating system, which can upgradable to Windows 11. Comes to connectivity, it has both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Dell Latittude E7270 has all essential ports. 3 USB 3.0 port, 1 HDMI mini display port, 1 SD card, 1 RJ45 port, 1 3.5mm headphone jack. Overall, this laptop is compact, lightweight, durable, and a good performer for office professionals and students. Why choose whynew.in? For good-looking laptops. For quality-tested laptops. For personalized support. For warranty upgradation option. Kindly contact to buy this laptop at whynew.in. Whynew by like new.